Well, folks, it finally happened. The government has no idea what's going on, and frankly, neither do we. But here's what we know: everything is bad. Really bad. As of 3:47 a.m. Eastern Time, the world decided it just couldn't handle itself anymore. First, we got a classic zombie apocalypse, the bitty, screechy kind. Then, for good measure, some completely unknown nightmare creatures crawled out of who knows where. And if that wasn't enough, just as we were processing all that, the sky started glowing green, and, well, surprise. Aliens. They're here, and they're not friendly. Do not, under any circumstances, go outside. The zombies will get you. Or the creatures will get you. Or the aliens will abduct you, and do weird space things to your insides. Just stay where you are, and hope they all fight each other instead. The president has been evacuated to a secret location, probably space at this point, and martial law is in effect. The military tried to intervene, but last we heard, they were either being chased by undead soldiers, or being disintegrated by lasers. So, good luck with that. Instructions: lock your doors. Barricade your windows. If you see something moving outside, you didn't. Do not respond to voices calling your name. Even if it sounds like your mom. Especially if it sounds like your mom. If you see a UFO, look away. If you see a zombie, run. If you see a 10-foot tall monstrosity with 6 eyes and too many limbs, well, that's unfortunate. Radio signals may be compromised. If you hear a message saying everything is fine, it's a lie. This message will repeat until we find someone still alive to turn it off. Good luck, everyone. We're gonna need it.
The fun little crackers always baked and made with real cheese.
The snack that smiles back.
Ball sack.